this is going to be worth £1.2 million plus. How? I have this with it as well. So me, Isabella and Mac bought this property at auction for £280,000. It's 3 flats inside this building and a 1-bedroom bungalow over there. But come inside and have a look at what we're going to do to turn it into 8 flats. Right now, this house consists of 3 flats. That's what's registered with the council, but we're going to turn it into 4 flats. To get that end valuation of £1.2 million plus, we're going to have to spend £400,000 to £600,000. You're all probably watching this video thinking, you're crazy, 4 flats and you're spending £400,000 to £600,000. Come with me and let me explain. A 3-storey building. First floor, 2 flats. We're leaving them, but we're knocking a number of walls out to make it more spacious, adding value. Up here on the 2nd floor, I'm leaving the flat down there, which is the 1-bedroom, and I'm turning this one into a 2-bedroom duplex with the floor upstairs. Now, £400,000 to £600,000 for a renovation cost on a 4, 5, 6-bedroom house. Doesn't make sense, does it? Come and take a look at this. This is it, guys. This is the money maker, and this is how we are going to get to £1.2 million plus. A 1-bedroom bungalow, that's at the back of the property. We're demolishing it, turning it into 4 flats. We have all the parking space needed. We have a separate entrance, huge amount of land. We have everything we need to make some serious money. You saw the BRRR seminar. You saw the property education show. Both sold out, 384 spaces, never been done before in the UK. Now, the property education show, deal sourcing edition. This is the big one, guys. This is the most lucrative one where you don't have to put any money into it. Deal sourcing is for everybody that is in the property industry or is looking to get into the property industry. 384 spaces, tickets are free. Get yours now because they won't be around for long. So there you have it, guys. That's our latest purchase.
I am buzzing and I cannot wait to show you what goes on because I can't wait to knock a wall down.
He was walking around this house like a big kid at Christmas, wasn't he?
Yeah, I was like, I'm knocking that down, I'm knocking that down.
Yeah, I think letting him loose with a sledgehammer might not be the way forward.
Probably not.
You need to subscribe to the channel and also subscribe to his channel because he's going to be documenting it on your channel as well.
Yeah.
So you can see it from both
You'll see
versions.
different kinds of content. Like, you'll get all the education here and some of the wow factor, and then I'll show you some silly stuff on mine, as well as obviously some education stuff that I know.
See how excited he is? This is what we've put up with all
Yes!
that. And he's got his drone as well, trying to fly a drone.
But it's updating. It's on like 35% and it's taking its time, which is slowing me down.
So this one's going to be exciting, guys, and we will see you in about 2 weeks for an update.